isithando sami kuzomela ukwazi abantu abayithanda into enhle abantu abayithanda
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Are you smelling me?
No, I don't mind, man.
You need to what's this?
Mandi, man.
Oh, soft. Yes, that's why I'm fat. That's why I'm chubby. Okay?
Chubby.
I'm not chubby. Okay, fine. I'll take it. Hi, guys. How are you? Are we good? We're actually waiting for you here. I hope you don't mind. You look scared, girl. Relax. I'm Lisa, okay? I'm from a show called CMTV. We just go around asking couples questions. Like a little couples quiz, and it's very simple questions.
Yeah, got this cat is not what I mozo Zaputut, Manatisia, Putumakul.
Okay, I'll hurry my skirt. So on my left. Okay, you can stay there, my skirt. Just face the camera for me. Are you nervous? You're not hiding your woman, are you?
I know.
You're not?
Yeah.
And you're not hiding your man either? So you can be seen on camera with him?
Yeah, I can.
Nice. Name?
Yeah.
Name?
Zakele Ngobese.
Zakele, okay. Zakele Ngobese, okay. Name?
Phumeza Mpalo.
Phumeza. Okay, how long have you been with Zakele?
It's been 3 months now.
3 months?
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where did you meet, sir?
A mall.
Mall?
Yes.
Where at the mall?
Crystal Mall.
Okay. What did you say to her when you first met her? Do you remember? How did you approach her actually?
There's a lot of things I can't explain.
Phumeza, do you remember?
Yeah,
what happened?
So he saw me in the clicks and he was like, hey, he wants to pay for me.
Akaduru clicks unemali wena Zakele.
I know exam into Diaza.
Uduru clicks. People underestimate clicks. So you paid?
Yes.
What a gentleman. Of course you said yes. Yes. Okay, I like this. And then what happened after that?
I know I'm saying the number because
okay. Yes. And she gave it to you obviously and you guys started talking.
Yes.
Okay, so how long did you talk before you guys actually started dating officially?
For a month, ne?
A month.
Yeah.
So your talking stage was for a month?
Yes.
What were you doing in that month? Couples things?
No, like beslangana nje, just to have drinks and then sazani ngangcono.
Nothing out of the ordinary.
No.
Like a church, something to do with the church.
No.
Nice. Okay, nice. I like that. What is it that you like about Phumeza?
No, mntwana onenhlonipho. Uyakhombisa ukuthi uphuma ekhaya kanjani.
And uyayithanda inhlonipho nina amaZulu. UngumZulu nezokhetha. Uyayithanda inhlonipho nina.
Into ephuma phambili nje inhlonipho nanokuyiphatha.
Yes.
Manesimilo ngiyamthemba. Khona isikhathi esisincane ngemazi kodwa okuningi sengikufundile. Yeah.
Okay, nice. I like that. Phumeza, what is it that you like about Zakele?
Ngiyathanda yonke into ngaye Nkosi yami ukuthi indoda yakwazi ukunginakelela.
Of course.
Yeah, so
I agree with you there.
Yeah.
And I hope, never mind, let me keep quiet. Let me just get straight to the point, okay? What we do on this show is basically making couples switch phones, okay? So you guys switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApps for about 60 seconds. It's a game we play.
Okay.
Uma kuzoshesha ngizokuthatha isikhathi eside.
60 seconds is not an issue.
Ayikho inkinga.
Okay, whose phone do you guys want to start with?
Okay,
ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay, girl. Can I have your cellular mobile, please? Just open it for me, my skirt. Oh, sorry. What is this? Oh, I thought it meant like, because I thought these were ears. Okay. Okay.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Go to WhatsApp, ne?
Okay. So, yes.
Okay. If you enjoy sports predictions and online gaming entertainment, you can check out EasyBet, a licensed South African betting and gaming platform. EasyBet offers 150% first deposit match bonus, up to 1,500 for new users. You'll also find competitive soccer odds and a wide variety of entertainment options, including slots, crash games, and live dealer games. New users can also receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus with no deposit required. To get started, sign up today to claim your 50 Rand welcome bonus. EasyBet Group Pty Ltd is licensed and regulated by the Eastern Cape Gambling Board. Search. Does she type in Zulu or English? Or mix?
I type English.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Type love you.
Oh, what's up? I love you. Why? Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Delete.
Okay.
Type miss you.
I miss you. I miss you. Yeah, for time cook to
Okay,
yeah.
Nice. Delete that. Type Woza.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're such a happy man.
Yeah.
Delete. Type Ageko.
Yeah, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
But anyway, you're the main, right?
Yes.
Do you think there was a side? But it's fine. It's the messages to you. It's fine. Delete that. Type babe.
Baby. Baby. Yeah.
Okay, nothing dodgy. Delete that.
Yes.
Type pregnant.
Pregnant. Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Morning after. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Okay. Outside. Yeah.
How are you? I give you back her phone, please. Hey, Mr. Ngobes. It's your turn.
Oh, so we mokhiphe yami phone. Oh, kodwa mazozama ukusheshisa ngoba isikhathi sincane kakhulu.
Okay, sir. Just open your phone for me. Passcode, password, whatever.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go to the WhatsApp Nescat. Okay, type. What does it type in English or Zulu?
Type in Zulu, start listening.
Okay.
It's Zulu.
Okay. Okay, type mama.
Okay, it's me. When I mean.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type ngikhumbulile.
Nalakuvela mina.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type ngiyakuthanda.
Ngiyakuthanda. Okay. Vela mina namanje.
Okay, delete that. Type ngaphandle.
Isikhathi kodwa siyashaya.
Ayibo, ngobese it's only been 30 seconds.
Oh,
Hawu.
siyaphuthuma.
Hawu Nkosi yami. Bani ke manje lo?
Who are you fetching? Go inside the chat.
Okay.
So
Wow.
izinto apha. Zakhele.
Niyalandana. Ba ukhuthatho niyalandana.
Oh, lo umzala lo ngangitshena ngaye. Angisazi ngiyamkhumbula. Nangi lokafika lapha endlini ezolanda i-laptop yakhe.
Umzala.
Umzala ngazi
Hawu.
ngiyamkhumbula.
He had njapha and flirting.
Ende kucela ama red hearts la understand ukuthi umzala kanjani.
mhlawumbe kungenzeka ngoba ifoni yami ngiphinde ngiyisebenzise nanothabiso futhi ngoba waba nenkinga yefoni ifoni yami nayo
So uThabiso ujola naye nomzala.
Uthabiso umngani wami siyashare izinto uma ukhona akashoda ngakho wafela ifoni so sinobambisana mina naye.
So okay.
Lana on Tuesday I said wozongilanda wathi ngiyokwazi yasebenza. Manje yini lela because ngiyabona la
And it's on Tuesday.
Akaphume ngaphandle what do you mean
On Tuesday.
Hayi mhlawumbe kungenzeka kuyoba uThabiso I promise mina.
Musuthi I promise.
Give me the phone Nunu.
Lana ukhuthatha ubani laba?
Do you want to call her?
Let's call her ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi yini wena nokhuthatha.
Okay, ayikho inkinga singamfonela.
Oh, you okay with that?
Sheshe nje uyazi ukuthi nginamanyala la efonini. Hayi nangu Shaka Zulu bo. Ayizongijwayela kahle. Ayibo.
Oh, son. Khuthatso. Hi, can I please speak to Khuthatso? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, girl njani?
Kisharp wena.
Nami ngisharp. Uyamazi uZakhele?
Yeah, ngiyamazi.
Umazi kanjani nenzani wena noZakhele?
Ama-question amangaka kanti yini? What's happening?
Phendula umbuzo sisi ngiyakubuza wenzani noZakhele?
Hayi sisi hayi ngeke. I'm asking you nama ngithi.
Imbuzo ayibuzani ngiyakubuza ukuthi wenzani noZakhele? Wenzani noZakhele? uZakhele umfunani?
uZakhele.
Umuntu wakho what do you mean umuntu wakho Zakhele? Umuntu wakho ini?
Hayi
Umuntu omthandana.
Nithandana ini kanjani? For how long nithandana noZakhele?
Sina 7 months sis.
Oh, okay. Zakhele, ngicela usichaze uthini? Nangu umuntu wakho sis.
Uzakhele uthi ngumzala, you his cousin.
Yebo mzala. Uyaphila kazi?
Kazi?
Mzala wami uyaphila.
Uzofana nabazala bakho mina.
Yazi la mzala ulo kodwa nje okuningi sokukhuluma kahle.
Umuntu uzojwayela amaZulu eGoli. Amasimba ini because uthi uZakhele anithandani wena naye uthi umzala wakhe.
Angimzala wakhe mina. Abazali bakhe babi.
Uyangisukela umzala lo wangithi.
Yes, uyangijwayela Zakhele. Awuthanga kumina ujoli wena.
Ngoba ngangikutshena mina akekho umuntu engithandana naye umzala lo.
Umzala wakho uzoqamba mangathi wena anjoli.
Kanti okunye sithando sami kuzomela ukwazi abantu abayithanda into enhle abantu abayithanda mhlawumbe kungenzeka ngeke ngizengidlale ngapha.
Why did you cheat Zakhele? Ucheateleni?
No akulona iqiniso lelo mzala.
Let's washlam khuluma eqathu.
Conversation.
Ngilama washo ngithengela neqathulo wena ungenza kanje.
Uthini ngemali yami nami ngikhipha ngayo ngikhipha.
Ngazongitshela leyo nto le vele kumele unginike imali wena letha.
Ukubisa ngaphambi kwabantu.
Nawu ngithubukisa ngami.
Sami sokhuluma kahle.
Angizokhuluma nawe.
Sokhuluma kahle ngiyaxolisa. Sokhuluma kahle.
Umfana osongijwayela
You sorry?
Ayikho into engizokhuluma nawe. Ayikho into engizokhuluma nawe.
Sami sokhuluma kahle.
Umzala. Ayikho into sokhuluma.
Umzala.
So umfuni Scott, is it over? You don't want to stay with your man?
Angibuzi lokho phela kwami naye lokho. Ngangibuzi.
Asambe sokhuluma kahle.
Shamini, let's go. You sorry?
Atsho kwamnayo. Sho, uthi uyasiza. Siza umuntu angivile.
It's okay. You know, when you decide to stay with your person after he or she cheats, we don't judge you. I mean, we can't decide for you. It happens.
Yeah.
It happens, and it's okay if you decide to stay with your cheating man or cheating woman. It's fine.
Yeah.
People acting all wholesome and as if they practicing self-love and they dump cheating partners on social media. That doesn't mean they actually do. A lot of people stay with their cheating partners, especially the long-term relationships.
Yeah.
That's why we don't last, because we don't pretend self-love nyani.
Yeah.
Except I've never caught a man cheating, so I think I've been blessed in that sense.
Zakhele
I've probably been cheated on though.
Vele.
Yeah, I have, but I've just never caught. Yeah, I definitely. You are my daughter.
Uthi asikabamba kusho ukuthi akwenzile.
But you, I'm grateful that I mean, stand here. I don't like thinking my neck.
Yeah.
But I'd rather not catch Shem.
Uzwe. Ucabangele.
Yeah.
But ekubuhlungu mombamba umuntu.
Really? Bakho mbamba umuntu? Really, Dlamini? How?
That was back then, was 2017, sahlala Orange Farm.
How did you catch her?
Besiye we went for an event FNB. Now Kespanyo Vest was feeling FNB.
Nice.
So when there there's some bouncers inside lapho, so I left umuntu endlini. Yabo. So sahamba we went on Saturday, came back on Sunday ekuseni. So sahamba. When I came back the following day on Sunday ekuseni. Oh,
what?
Endlini phakathi. Not like they were doing something, but they did something because basole sebelele. Early hours of the morning.
You lie.
4 ekuseni, I was there.
What did you do in that situation?
When I knocked, because I started at first I used my key. Ngabona ukuthi awungeni, then mangikhoba ngiyabona ukuthi okay.
There's a key inside.
She's still inside, so ngakokota. And it took her time to open.
Yes.
Yeah, eventually wavula.
Because what is she gonna do? Yes.
It was an RDP.
Yeah.
Umnyango uyi-1 uphuma la ungena la. Beku-RDP uphuma la ungena la, there was no other way.
So she opened.
Yeah, wavula ama-window namabhakla, so there was no other way ukuthi nje ungaphuma nge-window.
Yes.
Wavula when she opened. Mfana.
You saw this trend. Was he lying on the bed?
Oh, ubelele flat. Flat gone ubuthongo.
And then
That was the end.
you didn't even wake up the guy or anything. You just left.
Ngaphuma ngahamba. I went to my friend's house ngahamba ngahlala naye.
Yeah, I mean,
And then I called him.
You're so mature.
Niphume, and then ungitshela mase nihambile, and then I'll come back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then that was the end.
That was the end. Kwaphela nje kanjalo.
I mean, you're so mature. I'm so crazy. I don't think that's how I would handle the situation. I think I'm better lo mfana. I wouldn't do anything to the girl, but you.
But now
I'm such a lady. I don't physically fight. But that kind of situation, I don't think I'd be able to leave it maturely.
But masingabantu asifani.
You are ending up better, Shem.
Now the thing is, when you do decide to do something, what happens after then?
Not I, Shem. I think. No, oh no, I'd never. The fact that you couldn't even be careful enough, and I think that's why I admire my exes if they have cheated.
But they were careful enough not to.
Yes, there was never even a point where I was suspicious. Do you get me? So I appreciate that. But if it were, I don't know, Shem, I think I'd beat a nigga up.
Yeah, but abanye they do something worse, really, because it's not easy, bro. It's not easy. Umuntu umthanda. Ungezwa ngabantu, you caught them red-handed.
Yes. I don't know. I pray that. I pray that I'm never in that situation. Still have a long life to live.
So,
but yeah, shall we close, Lami?
We're just sharing local page.
Yes. Hey.
We've been there, so we know.
Yeah.
So we know.
We know. I think we're old enough now, Lams.
Yeah.
We're old. How old are you?
How old do I look?
You look
honestly
early 30s.
Gym ngiyayithanda.
So you mid 30s.
Gym ngiyayithanda mfethu.
I should go to the gym actually. I don't like being chubby.
I love gym. Yeah, yabona at gym you can be 50 but you look
younger.
Yeah. Gym. Shout out to abantu abajimayo bafethu.
Anyway, Dlamini nje gym ngithandimile kakubi. Oh, Shane, no, she's pretty and but to make so naka ndiyajimila na choice yokudlamini
asambe edala ngasho
ngezi hip dips andiyazi ukuthi ndimile kakubi
bathi ndimile kakubi
ngathi ndimile kakubi so nika ndiyeke ukujimila noba at least the hip dips are gonna go because andiyazi uba inoba into endinimilise kakubi
kodwa ngoba izinto zokubambelela lezi
hip dips nazi lapha kani straight hey hayi manje ejibini nabazawuthi zisuke so I'm gonna start going to the gym guys
When?
possibly next week
Possibly.
Hey guys,
Masazobanda.
I actually don't like the gym. That's why I'm always so skeptical. I would rather run outside or walk outside and listen to the birds chirp. I hate the gym and the gym environment. So, but anyway,
You have your own reasons.
it feels like pressure to me, you know, the environment. But when you're outside, you're the only one walking or running, or you know what I mean. But anyway, I'll decide next week, possibly. And, yeah. All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _
Instagram it's Welcome Dlamini 88. TikTok Welcome Dlamini, Facebook Welcome Dlamini. Ngicela ukusho lokho. Mlungu wami siyawubonga umsebenzi osinikeze wona. I have a reason why ngisho kanje mfethu. Mlungu siyabonga ngomsebenzi. Kulomuntu ovuka ekseni angazi ukuthi uzolala edlini, uzovuka edlini. Malishona ilanga angazi ukuthi uzodlala. Siyabonga. Kusena la isivukela khona. Kunento esiyenzayo. uNkulunkulu akubusisa uqashe nabanye abantu abaningi. Danko.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Awufuna ukubonga?
No.
Bonga.
For what?
Yeah.
For what?
Bonga.
For?
Umsebenzi.
For?
For umsebenzi. Bonga umsebenzi ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
For? Umsebenzi?
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni.
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni.
Lisa
Andifuni.
ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni.
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Andifuni. Wani umlungu?
Uli.
Andifuni.
Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
I mean, oh, cute.
Phinda sondela. Lisa ithi siyabonga Mlungu.
Siyabonga. Leave alone.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.